How to fix Bluetooth is not available on this device. Please try using an external adapter. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create, Login and Delete. Let's get started. So first thing you need to do is turn off fast startup, and you can do that by clicking on Window and R button. And go ahead and type powercfg.cpl and click on OK, and then click on Choose what the power button does, and then click Change settings that are currently unavailable. And right now turn on fast startup is turned on, so go ahead and untick this and then click on Save Changes. So another thing you can do is reinstall Bluetooth driver. So you can do this by going to Intel or manufacturer website. So go ahead and open your browser and type the manufacturer or Intel website. So go to their official website and then click on Search Intel and then type Bluetooth driver. So you'll see different drivers for different Windows versions. Go ahead and click on View Details on the one you want to download and then click on Download and run the file. So the next thing you can do is update Windows. So go to your settings by clicking on Window and I, and you'll see Update and Security. So click on that and then click on Update and Security. So if there's any update available, go ahead and click on Update. So this will update your Windows and also your Bluetooth driver. So the next thing you can do is click on Window and R and type services.msc and click on OK, and then select Bluetooth Support Service and then click on Restart the Service. So if you're not seeing Restart the Service here, right click on it and then click on Restart. So another thing you can do is go ahead and search for command prompt and then click on Run as Administrator and then type sfc/scan now and click on Enter. So this is how to fix Bluetooth is not available on this device. Please try using an external adapter. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.